Welcome to Tushu Art and Craft. Hi everyone! Today, I'm making cute pen topper. So first of all, I have taken white foam sheet for pen decoration. You can use any color if you want. Now I'm drawing daisy flower with a light pencil. If you want, you can draw strawberry, cherry, any other flower or whatever you like. Now cutting it with a scissor. Now using yellow foam sheet for the center of the flower. Here are two for both sides. I make it darker with yellow alcohol marker, and it's optional. I got this sequin set from online shop. It's available on Amazon and Daraz for Bangladesh. Adding some sequins and water. Now sealing the mouth with hot glue so that water cannot escape. Now I attach the chain. Now I attach it with hot glue. And attach another chain with a hole on top. Adding a jump ring. Now attaching daisy flower to the head of the pen. Wow, it's really very cute. Hope you like it, and if you really like it, please like the video, comment your opinion about this video, and don't forget to subscribe this channel. See you in the next video. Take care.